And here is the third of our demos. This is a Prospector 15. Now, a lot of the boats, the Bob Special, particularly the Trapper, and this Prospector series, are all based on boats made by the Chestnut Canoe Company, which is one of the old wooden canvas boat makers from back in the day. They only actually closed, I think, in the 1970s. I'll have to check that. And they use a lot of those models as the basis. So their Prospector and the Bob Special was one that Chestnut made. It's fun to kind of look up and see the history. Canoeing's been, in North America since the first peoples, and to understand kind of the history and how the boats evolved and the recreational boats and those kinds of things. It's really kind of fun. Anyway, so the Prospector is really kind of the do everything Swiss Army knife of the boats. I think I cut that other plastic a little short, but we'll get to it. Oh, there it is. Anyway, it's got some nice rocker in it, about 2.5 inches in each end. Good carry capacity. Very maneuverable because of that rocker. But once you put some weight in and those kind of things, also very manageable in the wind on the lake. It's kind of, you can only get one boat. Most folks who've been paddling for a while will say, get a Prospector, because then you don't have any real limitation in terms of where you can go. You get some boats that are specifically designed for lakes, and by that I mean they generally don't have symmetric rocker, and they are really designed specifically to deal with wind conditions. Those are not boats that you really want to be taken out in quick water. Rapidly moving rivers, those kinds of things, because they just don't have the necessary maneuverability. A Prospector won't be quite as nice in the winds. I can see this cloth bag is going to give me some trouble on this one, just because it's a tight bag on a boat. But I was just saying, but you can handle the lake, certainly. Again, a little bit of ballast maybe, and I'll do a special thing on ballast. It's quick, but there's a trick that I read about that I've been using myself, because I solo tandems, and you need a little bit of ballast up front when you're doing that. So anyway, a little ballast in the boat and you'll be just fine. So, like I said, if you can only get one boat, or you're not, you want to have the flexibility to kind of do most any water, then something like a Prospector is a good match. This one, again, it's fiberglass. We chose that for all of our demos. I was talking about Tough Stuff in the Trapper video. They also do Aramid Light, or Aramid, which is the generic name for Kevlar. Gives you their lightest weight boat. And they've got a material also called blue steel, which is of the weight class of the Aramid, but has a toughness similar to the Tough Stuff. So if you're looking at materials with Nova Craft, what you look at is fiberglass. Fiberglass is being kind of, heaviest of the composites. Then Tough Stuff, lighter than fiberglass, same strength and those kind of good qualities. And then the Aramid Light, the Aramid boat, and then a little bit heavier than the Aramid, but in that same weight class is the blue steel. Now this is a pretty blue boat. Nova Craft does colors really well. I really like their blue. as well as they make a really pretty yellow boat. We've got that on the, if you look at our website, you'll see a picture of that in boats that we've got in the shop. Okay, so that's the three that I'm going to wrap. We've got an SP3, that's their Royal X equivalent. Bit heavier boat, absolutely kind of indestructible. By the way, this is picking it up for a portage, and you can see it's not that complex or that hard to do. Again, I'll do a specialized little video on how to pick up a boat like this, but I'm ready to take this out and get it down in the water. So I'll be seeing you in the next video.